Part 2. Turn failures into your greatest strength. So you've embraced the truth, failures define you. But what's next? How do you rise when life pulls you down? How do you take those crushing failures and turn them into unstoppable strength? Listen closely, because what I'm about to share will help you transform every setback into a stepping stone. This isn't just about bouncing back. This is about dominating your prime, and you're about to learn how. Step 1. Reframe failure as data, not defeat. When you fail, your mind plays tricks on you. It tells you you're not good enough. But here's the truth. Failure is not the end. It's just feedback. Think of every failure as data. Miss the gym for a week? The data says you need a better schedule. Lost money in your business? The data says you need to analyze risk better. Failed to stay disciplined? The data says you need stronger habits. Stop seeing failure as defeat. Start seeing it as information to grow. The sooner you reframe failure as data, the faster you'll learn, adapt, and win. Now ask yourself, what's the data from your last failure telling you? Step 2. Build an anti-failure system. You can't avoid failure, but you can prepare for it. Here's how you do it. Create an anti-failure system. 1. Track your progress. Write down your wins and losses every day. This builds awareness. Second, plan for setbacks. Expect obstacles. Have a plan B, C, and D for everything. 3. Audit your circle. Surround yourself with people who push you forward, not hold you back. Systems beat motivation every time. When life throws chaos your way, your system will keep you steady. Without a system, failure will break you. With a system, failure will build you. What's your anti-failure system? Start building it today. Don't wait for another setback. Step 3. Use failure as fuel. Let's talk about energy. Failure has two effects. It can either drain you or drive you. How you respond to failure depends on one thing, your mindset. Instead of saying, "I failed," ask yourself, what's next? Turn your frustration into focus. Use your anger to fuel your action. Every time you fall, don't waste time crying over the ground. Get up and move forward. Faster, stronger, smarter. Failure isn't a weight, it's a weapon, but only if you choose to use it. So when you fail again, don't hold back. Use that failure as the energy to push yourself further. Step 4. Create small wins to bounce back. When failure hits, the biggest mistake people make is trying to bounce back all at once. Stop chasing the big win right away. Focus on small daily victories. Missed a week of workouts? Just show up tomorrow for 15 minutes. Lost your savings in a business? Start by earning $1 profit today. Fell off track with your habits? Nail one habit today, just one. Small wins stack up. They rebuild your confidence, momentum, and energy. Remember, the road to dominating your prime isn't one big leap. It's 1,000 small steps. Start your first small win now. Take that step, no matter how small, and let momentum build. Step 5. Embrace the long game. Here's the harsh truth. Success doesn't come overnight. Failures are like scars. They take time to heal. But every scar tells a story. Stop rushing the process. Every setback, every mistake, every failure, it's all part of the long game. Stay consistent, stay patient, and trust that your efforts will compound over time. You don't need to dominate today. You need to keep showing up every day, because in the long run, the person who learns from failure will always win. This is the time to play the long game. Commit to the process and remember the results will come when you earn them. Conclusion: dominate your prime by owning your failures. So here's the truth you've been avoiding. You will fail again and again and again. But every failure is your opportunity to rise stronger. Every setback is your chance to grow sharper. Stop running from failure. Face it, embrace it, learn from it. Because if you can own your failures, you can own your life. And when you own your life, that's when you dominate your prime. Take action right now. Own your failures, rise stronger, and start dominating your life today.